I am Stephanie Hurst, and I'm a project leader at Grid Architects. Grid Architects is primarily a residential practice. We specialize 95% of our work in residential and then 5% elsewhere. There's about 30 of us right now, and our office is located in Southwark behind the Tate Modern here in London. In the past few years, there's one project that is particularly special, and that's buildings 6 and 7 of the Shell Centre here on the South Bank in London. It's currently undergoing planning, but we at Grid, we undertook 2 out of the 7 buildings, and it's been a fantastic process simply because it embodies what Grid is all about. It's a fantastic interior, it's a brilliant look to the building, and I'm really looking forward to when it goes on site. It's going to be a really good project. Architecture is very broad now. It's we have a lot of consultants that get involved that have a very specialized knowledge, and I think it's the role of the architect to understand, to be a jack of all trades in a sense, to understand structures, to understand facades, interiors, interior design, all those sorts of elements, and then to basically be a team leader and bring everybody together to create a project and to create a product that the client is happy with and that ultimately embodies the spirit of architecture. Well, I think one of the best things about London is that instead of having one particular element, like New York has the Empire State Building and the Rockefeller Center, I think the best thing about London is what you discover when you just walk around. There's this one part near Waterloo Station. It's literally 3 streets. It's completely out of context. It's brown brick townhouses, and it has this very old feeling right in the middle of all these skyscrapers. And I think that embodies what London is all about, an amalgamation of cultures, of different architectural styles, and ultimately what I think makes London one of the best cities in the world. I think what fascinates me the most is people. I think that's one of the main reasons I got involved in architecture. I think it's one of the only professions that you have the ability to truly influence how people live on their day-to-day life. And my main role at Grid is primarily on interior architecture. And for me, I think one of the best feelings is knowing that I'm creating something that people are going to use every day for the rest of their lives. And it's a good feeling. And I think people are my biggest fascination.